Welcome once again. This is simply how to stake on Bybit. So if you have any idle dollar on Bybit, simply click on it. Let it be on your funding wallet. So these are idle dollar here. So I want to stake it. Click on it. So click on it here. So these are the simple instructions. You just click on flexible savings. This one, you click on it. Flexible savings. Impute maximum. So whenever you need it, you can withdraw it. You put maximum. So after 24 hours, you start earning from your staked dollars. So you also click on I avoid and agreed. Click on it, then you click on stake now. And it was successful. You can view the order. You now go back to your asset to check it. So from what we have before plus what we staked now, our total invested product is now $30. This is simply how to unstake on Bybit. Go to asset. On asset, this is the amount I staked. So if you stake on Bybit, you can unstake it whenever you want. Mind you, this type of staking is known as flexible staking. But if you stake for a fixed staking, you can't withdraw it whenever you want. You just have to meet the particular time you stake for before you can unstake for fixed staking. But for flexible staking, you can easily unstake your USDT back or any other crypto coin you stake for. So let's unstake some amount on this. So here we have $68 and I want to unstake $8 from here. So you click on unstake. Is on our funding. Then you impute the amount you want to unstake. I want to unstake $8 from this $68. So I've imputed the amount. Then you now click on this unstake below your screen. Then you confirm it. And you'll find it, the $8 you unstake, you'll find it on your funding wallet. So we are having $60 left. And this is the $8 we just unstake just now. Don't forget that for this type of staking where you can unstake at any time is known as flexible staking. But when you do a fixed staking on Bybit, Binance, or any other crypto exchange, you just have to meet that time you stake for before you'll be able to unstake. So thank you very much for always engaging with our videos on this channel. If you have not yet subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we create a video, hit the like button, hit the share, and give a nice comment concerning this video on this channel. We learn every day. Learning is our hobby on this channel. See you and God bless you. Bye.